AP poll. And while the rest of us settle in for the NFL playoffs this weekend, which includes the Colts and Patriots Saturday and Chargers and Broncos Sunday here on WSBT, one local athlete will be at that game in Denver, competing for a championship. Check this out. This is 11-year-old Hunter Renner of Mishawaka, and he'll be in the NFL's punt, pass, and kick national championship this weekend. He's got the second best score in the country for his age group. He's actually a soccer player, not a football player, but if you look at his room, you can tell he's a huge Bears fan. That's actually how he got the idea to compete.
We saw a game at the Bears, and it had the PPK there. My grandpa always wanted me to do it, but I was too busy. And then this was like, I decided to do it.
For my wife and I, this is a dream come true, something that's been really fabulous for us to watch him and enjoy and having a lot of fun and a lot of pressure, but he's really taking it well.
So he's going to be competing at the Broncos game in Denver this Sunday, where it's going to be cold. Peyton Manning will be there. That'll be interesting. So he's a huge Bears fan. We were talking to him about it. He actually doesn't think they should have signed Jay Cutler to such a big deal.
So,
really? Very astute young man.